During the last administration, I pay your salaries on the 22 of every month. It is in my prayers, it is in my belief, I will not leave this office of governor as a debtor of salaries. Amen. The ekiti road by October 14th, you will join me to commission that road at the end of the roundabout in ekiti. You will join me to commission the Jerodua carriageway, the Lawedua carriageway, the Emuredua carriageway, the Sedua carriageway, the Ori Akata, Nova Road, and so on. We believe in you. We thank you for your cooperation.
The 8 Millennium Development Goals and the 6 development objectives of the Fayose administration in Ekiti State are like Siamese twins, interwoven with a singular cord of giving the common man hope and a new deal. Both have considerations for poverty alleviation, universal primary education, women empowerment and gender equality, reduction of child mortality, improved maternal health, and the combat against HIV and AIDS. The Millennium Development Goals commenced in the year 2000 and was extended to Ekiti State in 2007 and scaled down to local government areas in 2011. In 2015, 6 local government areas of Ekiti State benefited under the Millennium Development Goals Conditional Grant Scheme to local governments. They are Ado, Ikere, Ilejemeje, Irekpodun Felodun, Ikole, and Iseorun. Intervention projects cited in these council areas encapsulate the 3 main sectors recognized under the MDG thematic agenda and objectives of health, education, and poverty alleviation. Ekiti State Government and the 6 selected local governments paid a matching fund of 600 million naira. Of this amount, the state government contributed 360 million naira, while each of the 6 participating council areas contributed 40 million naira, totaling 240 million naira, and the federal government contributed 600 million naira, thus making the overall contribution from the 3 tiers of the federal, state, and local governments 1.2 billion naira. July 2017 was a month Ekiti State Government under Peter Ayodele Fayose showcased prudence and effective utilization of the 1.2 billion naira fund for the good of the common man in tandem with the 8 Millennium Goals. The Senior Special Assistant to the President on SDGs, represented by Mr. Orombo, an architect, and his team from Abuja, the federal capital, were in Ekiti State to assess and commission numerous projects under the 2015 MDG projects. Ekiti State Deputy Governor, Professor Kolapo Olushola, who received the team on behalf of the governor, described the scheme as a worthy collaboration among the 3 tiers of the federal, state, and local governments that has added value to the infrastructural development of Ekiti State. The Deputy Governor, who was recently pronounced Professor of Building Technology and Environmental Design by the Vice-Chancellor of the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State, charged the Abuja delegates on the need to have a builder on their team for quality assurance and sustainability.
That project in itself has added value to our infrastructural development in Ekiti State. And I believe it's a good partnership between the state government and the federal government. And I'd also want to advise, I'm a builder, I'm a registered builder. And if you are assembling your team, right, assembling a team in SDG, I want to believe you should have builders in your organizational setup, registered builders. Today we talk about building collapse. I know we don't want to have any MDG project, in which case we construct buildings and the buildings will collapse. It doesn't have to be a skyscraper. Small bungalows can collapse.
It's not every state that has finished their 2015 projects. Ekiti State is one of the few that has finished, and it's a plus to the state government. Because if the state government did not take it seriously, we will not be talking of commissioning now. So Her Excellency is...
Done with a courtesy call, a press conference presided over by the chairman, State Development Goals, SDG, who doubles as the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Dipo Anishilowo, preceded the harvest of commissionings. Though the projects cut across 6 local government areas of Ekiti State, the Abuja team, due to time constraints, could only visit 3 council areas. The 3 council areas that could be accommodated in their tour schedule are Ikole in Ekiti North, Ikere in Ekiti South, and Ado-Ekiti in Ekiti Central. 6 blocks of mega classrooms at St. Paul's Primary School, Ikole, and 6 blocks of semi-model classrooms at Methodist Primary School, Oduayedun, were commissioned for use in Ikole local government. Community leaders and facility operatives applaud the projects as a march forward, light years ahead, to ease the burden of the rural people. They include Chief Babalola Olugbenga, Chief Stephen Oshashono, Chief Shegun Okea, Olasoji Abdulaziz, and Mrs. Eunice Ajibola.
Thank God, I appreciate the government for what they have done in our school, even during this time that we needed it most. We thank God for the government. We pray that God will be with them, God will enrich their purse, and even God will be with them. Their tenure will be a time of success in Ekiti State and even in Nigeria at large.
It's a laudable program.